Hello everyone, welcome to the website Cash Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about Ajuna. Ajuna season 2 is started now, and I will focus on the Eggs NFT this time, and there will be the pets and some other things. You can check it here on their website. So the season 2 is different than the season 1, although they have some similarities. They have very cool pet, and in order to get the pet, you need to braid the eggs. So here we are going to talk about how you can get started. So first of all, you need your wallet. I use GS wallet. There will be some other wallet they also support. And if you have the OG or mini OG role in their Discord, you will get some free mint, and you can use the free mint to do the braiding and also get some other material. So in this video, we will focus on the eggs. On the inventory, they have the snot. I will also show you how to increase the snot size. So there are some very cool tutorials. For example, this one is really good. It will show you all the things you need to do, and there is also a Chinese translation for that. So today in this video, I'm going to follow this one. So first of all, we need to do the braiding. So I'm going to use a free mint because I have some free mint. If you don't, you have to use a Bajun to buy the braiding, basically the eggs, and you can keep doing that. You can buy until your snot is full. Now you can have all kinds of material, and there's a batch stack where you can stack all of those materials. And for the braiding, now you have all the eggs, and based on the tutorial, we select the egg with three blocks, and then we will choose the others to do the forging first. Now I already have the rare with almost close to the epic, so I will select four of them, make sure it's excellent, make sure all 4 of them they have the frame there, and now I get my epic eggs, and keep doing that. But there is one thing, like the snot. If you don't buy the snot, it will be kind of time consuming actually, so I keep buying some snot. Now I can get more eggs, and it will save some time basically. Alright, so for those of you, if you want to get a free NFT, a free eggs, epic egg, you can join the AI website Discord, and for those of you, if you joined it long time ago, you already have 20 Bajun token and also a mini OG or maybe OG role now, and there are some more opportunities. If you join and run this command, you can get at least 1 epic egg NFT that's donated by me, and there will be more actually. And for those of you, if you share your tweets about your Ajuna NFT and tag AI Web3 and Ajuna network, you may have opportunity to get another 3 mysterious big award, and those award will be given to those who make the coolest NFT, who make the rarest Ajuna NFT, or those who have the most popular tweets. And so join, and the deadline is August 15th. Share with your friends, and the more people join, actually the bigger this award will be. So I'm excited about your submission. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.